Hi, I'm Adelaide from PosterMyWall. Welcome to Learn PosterMyWall in 10 minutes. PosterMyWall is an AI-powered marketing platform for small and local businesses, churches, and organizations like yours. Today, I'm going to show you the easiest way to create campaigns like this one. Campaigns that reach your customers everywhere they hang out. Social media, online, in their inboxes, and in person. What makes us different is that our platform bundles everything you need to connect with your customers and grow. Social media publishing, event page for your website or that we host on ours, event calendars, emails, posters, and flyers. Plus, tools to make marketing fast and easy. AI design tools, AI writing tools, over 3 million templates to get you started fast. Everything is in one place and everything works well together, which makes marketing painless. Let's get started. Before you send out your marketing, you need to create a design. PosterMyWall has AI design tools and over 3 million templates to help you get started fast. To create a design, start with the Create button. Options are create a design, social media post, an email, or an event. Select Design to open the PosterMyWall template library. The easiest way to find what you want is a search term. Trivia night. So many options. Pick your favorite template. And don't worry about colors, logos, or size. You can customize all of that. Now unleash your creativity and customize the design to match your style. It's easy to change the background color, import your logo, add and customize text. You can also add photos, videos, shapes, stickers, icons, audio clips, and create AI images. Let's search for a cute dog to go with our positively awesome theme. Sorry, I couldn't help myself. Want something unique? Create it with AI images. Type in what you want. Professorial looking dog wearing glasses and a graduation cap and gown. After AI generates your options, you can choose your favorite and add it to your design. If you want just the pup, you can use AI background remover. Try AI styles if you want some quick color options. If that isn't easy enough for you, try our new prompt-based editor. Type in a description of what you want. AI does all the work for you. Use additional prompts to fine-tune, and you're done in minutes. Now that we have our design, it's marketing time. We'll start with social media. With your design open, click Publish, Social Media, then follow the prompts. You can connect to all your favorite platforms. AI will draft a caption for you. You can also write your own or give AI a new prompt. Then either schedule for later or publish right away. Now that social media is taken care of, let's create an event page and events calendar for your website. With your design open, click Promote as Event. Add your event details so everyone will know when and where. You can even customize colors and fonts. AI has imported your design automatically. Use it or click to edit or replace it. Add a description. AI saves you time by generating a draft for you. Make edits or click and AI will generate a new draft. Guest information is where you decide what kind of action you want your customers to take. This is where you can add a button to collect registrations or add a link to your ticketing page. Finally, click the toggle to add this event to your events calendar. This is literally all you need to do to add your event to your calendar. You can also share your event as a Google event. Click Create, and your event page is published and your calendar is updated at the same time. To add the calendar to your website, copy the code and paste it into your website builder. Every time you create a new event, PosterMyWall automatically adds it to your calendar. So that's one thing that gets done without even having to think about it. Next, more easy ways to get your event in front of everyone. Select social media. Yes, you could have created your event first and then created your social media from here. Send an email, more on that in a minute. Or share a link with your performers or friends to share with their networks. You can invite them directly using the co-promoters feature. Pro tip, your calendar and events pages aren't just for events. You can also use them to promote sales and special offers. That checks off event pages and event calendars. Moving on to email. You can send an email right from your event promote page, or you can build your own email design from one of our templates. To build an email from scratch, click Create, Email, select a template, then Customize. It's easy to update your email with the designs you've already created. When you're ready to send, AI helps you write a subject line. Select your mailing list, preview, then send right away or schedule it for later. And your email is done. We also have tools to create subscription forms to grow your email list. Finally, if you want to create a poster, click the PosterMyWall logo to get to My Stuff, where all of your social media posts, designs, and emails are stored. Open your design, click Download, select a file type and size. Your file will be added to your Downloads folder. Poster is created. The marketing for Pup Quiz Night is done and done. And that's it. You created social media posts, emails, events page, events calendar, and posters. You're a marketing genius. With PosterMyWall, it's easy to create eye-grabbing marketing that helps you connect with customers and grow your business. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, click like and subscribe. We have tons more useful tips for you.